Hey guys, today we're going to show off Kyle's build, or a budget build, whatever you want to call it. Kyle's build, that's what I'm calling it. Alright, so first off, for peripherals and such, we have this adorable mouse pad. Now, just look at this. I hope I'm not getting in too close, but just look at this. Okay, good, it's cute. Then we have a Razer Deathadder mouse. We have a Razer BlackWidow keyboard, not sure why I lifted that up. Then we have a Razer Kraken headset. We have this is just a Dell 24-inch monitor. It's 1080p, it's nice. Logitech webcam. Next off, we loaded up with Windows 7 Home Premium. We have a 550 watt power supply. For the CPU cooler, we have a Hyper 212 Evo. It's a really big ass heatsink. Then we have the Intel Core i5 4670K processor. We have a Z87 G55 MSI motherboard. Then after that, we have a 2 GB EVGA GTX 760 superclocked. Then for RAM, we have the Corsair Vengeance 8 GB DDR3 at 1600 frequency. After that, for storage, rather than just doing the traditional, like 120 GB SSD, I just dropped this. We have the Samsung 840 Evo. It's a 500 GB SSD, which is going to be really fast because, from my knowledge, the bigger the SSD, the faster. After that, we have the Corsair Carbide case, which is, I don't know, it actually looks really nice. I don't know, I like that case. But I guess now all that's would really be left is just to put this together. So, yeah, let's do that.
Alright, here we have the final build. Here we have the owner, Kyle. How you feel about it?
Well, now I've got something to kick around, you know. Play a little basketball with. This is like my son. We're gonna go out to the movies together.
Sound like Dylan. There you go, guys. The final build.
There you go. Good job,
nice
Kyle.
and clean.
Picking out all the right parts for the budget build.
Alright. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. For your chance to win this